So it's breaking free of institutions, breaking free of the world, that I came out to the forest to find myself in silence. I can say that I'm enlightened by listening. I'm truly listening, where the brain is so open that all it does is receive and listen, and you just absorb energy, and it becomes and expands within you naturally, without having to force breathing or force food or force life. It's a natural existence that most people are missing because they're not relaxing. So this quest, this path, really is about relaxing everything so much that you are just one big bliss ball. And to be in bliss all the time requires a lot of discipline and patience. And be easy on yourself, because you might just find out that you're not who you thought you were because you're so stressed out right now that someday you might just be like, whoa, I'm a tiger inside. But it's all been dumped down and duped from alcohol and bad relationships and inconceived relationships with time and age and frustration and depression and environments, bad food, toxic, bad water, bad air. You go name it. This world is suffering big time, as you know it is. It doesn't have to be. It does not have to be suffering. It can be joy, lots of joy, lots of joy. But, and you know what I think about life and liberty and the pursuit of happiness? That if you don't need to wear clothes, why wear clothes? I believe, you believe, we do the things we do because it's their environment. If your environment, you don't need to wear clothes in Hawaii, you shouldn't have to. Is that revolutionary? We need to change a system that's broken. Because the whole system's broken. The entire system is broken. It's time to jump the ship because the rats have already jumped off. The ship's sinking, people. This is the great mass sixth extinction, don't you know it? Life is dying all around us now. So to enter into the state of awe again, is to enter the dream state. It requires you relaxing and letting go of everything that you think might be the way it should be, and just being in the now, which is a drag, but sometimes you got to be a drag or move on. Because we're all dying for the truth, aren't we? Every moment we're dying for the truth. If we don't know the truth, we're going to be continuing to die. Now, do we want to die physical death or emotional death and be a walking, pained zombie, but not blissed out and happy? So I play a lot of music because it's important to drive your soul in ways that are constructive and transformative. And I just love this instrument. Let me set this up here. Let's see. There we go.